Hey guys, it's Jared. I'm out of breath. I walked for probably 2 miles up this creek. On my way back, I've already walked through here and I'm still seeing a bunch of footprints. So some guys been here before me, but I don't know how I missed this, and that guy missed it too, but he got a little one right here. Looks like it's whole. It's a pretty neat little guy, you know. I don't think I've ever found anything like that. And it looks like a little ear is busted off. I can get a hold of it here. Right there. It's a pretty neat one though. Never found anything like that. At least this long walk wasn't a waste. Good exercise and got a neat little point here. But I'll get back with you. Probably won't find nothing else, but if I do, I'll put it on here. Hey guys, I'm back home. I got this point here. Found that today in the creek. I probably walked, I would say, about 2 miles. Wore me out. But at least I found something. Been following footprints the whole time, but just kind of hoping that he's missed something, and evidently did. And I actually walked over it and found it on my way back through. But it is missing a little piece of the ear right there. Pretty nice little point. It's going in the case. But I went Friday. I went down the riverbank and found these little broken halves here. And here I got one little full triangle. Kind of thought it was a flake. It kind of looks like a flake. And then they've worked it on along the edges here. Kind of translucent. You can see right there. Hard to get the lighting right. And I found these right here. I thought it was a little blunt, but its tips actually broke off right there. And there's a little crude piece. But anyways, Baker's Creek. You asked me the other night about if I ever found any paleo points. Here's one. I told you I found 2 broken ones. It's a real thin, fluted on both sides. It's about the only thing I found of them. And here's a longer one, but broke on the base, and it's fluted on both sides too. But that's the only about the oldest points I've found, I would say. I want to appreciate everybody from watching and the nice comments. And I'll get back with you hopefully this weekend, and hopefully I'll get some more points on video. Thanks for watching.